So what did you do with the throttle cable? You just reset it, or?
Yeah, reset it so it's got a little bit of slack, because I was thinking maybe it was a little bit tight, and now I'm just going through and adjusting the throttle plate clearances, because there's 3 throttle plates on this. Yep. You got a primary and then secondaries. And the way they work is, like, as you open the throttle, one starts to open first and then the others open.
Yeah.
And they're supposed to be at a specific kind of like gap.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just kind of like going through from the beginning, like adjust your throttle cable, adjust your plates, and then just start kind of doing little things so we can get this thing to idle.
Hopefully.
Because it runs.
Runs awesome.
Runs great, but it just doesn't want to idle by itself. So just kind of starting from base 0 with the throttle stuff, see if we can get that figured out. Because this has got everything deleted on it. All the stuff that it needs to idle.
It's all gone.
It's all gone.
Everything the sun touches has been deleted.
Yes. Exactly.
So are you just trying to see like when they're supposed to open on this?
Yeah, kinda.
This manifold kinda had nothing deleted. This one's all stock. Is that just a little 10? Is that 5/16ths?
5/16.
5/16ths and a Phillips head or straight?
Straight.
Straight.
One straight boy.
And what's that adjust?
This
Where the
throttle stop.
Oh. So that controls one of the butterflies in there?
The top 2.
Top 2 butterflies.
It's where they rest, essentially. Opening them up just a touch, just to see if a little bit of air bypassing through will help with the idle.
Gotcha.
And sustain. With any of that stuff, you're supposed to put a jumper in this.
Really?
Yep. Which is news to me.
Huh. I wonder why.
It disables the BAC.
Oh.
And it locks the timing on the car.
No shit.
Yep.
So.
Yeah.
Huh. Alright.
We'll see.
Do you want me to try and start it?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
Boy!
Battery's that dead?
It's like trying. So now this screw adjusts the idle.
Kinda, yeah. Mazda put 87 screws on this thing to adjust idle.
Okay. Attempt.
Try to see if you can keep it running.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was me. Not me. I'm off it. I'm off. Yeah, it's idling. Magic, I'm free. Well, I don't know. We could probably zip tie you around it while it's drifting.
DW, found that.
Found what?
That.
Oh, thank you. High five. Ah! Ow! Garage door! Why would I? Oh no. Oh no! I'm sorry.
You don't even have to be in it.
I'm sorry. Did you just work magic? chick.
Right at 1,000.
It's reading 120-ish, 125. God damn, that's loud. So this little jumper piece.
Yep. So this guy here, what that dude does, from what I read, I might be wrong, but from what I read, it locks out the timing, so when you make like idle adjustments on RX7s, it locks it out, you make your adjustment, set it to where you want it to be, and then you pull the jumper, so that way then that reactivates, so that way the computer and everything can like make its adjustments there, fuel, and it like unlocks the timing on it. So just by doing that and fiddling around with a few things and setting our throttle cable, it's idling at 1,000 right now, which we'll take that, that's all right. Like stock idle, I think is like 750 to like 800 or something like that. So the fact that it's idling by itself is already like like pure magic. So
yeah, RX7s.
RX7s. For our next trick, which is a common issue with FC RX7s, they don't like to start hot. So she's up to temp. Tom's gonna try and kick her over and see if she starts.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah.
We figured it out. And we finally got it. It's so loud you can't even hear him.
We were victorious.
We fixed some things.
And when you're victorious, cheers.
I don't know if the camera can pick up on this, but Tom took the RX7 for a rip. I can hear it.
TV.
Holy shit. Dude, he sent it. I saw. I looked at you and I'm like, well, he's not doing anything over here. She does a pretty mean burnout.
So I'm sitting here, I'm editing, I'm super close to being done with this video, and of course, we forgot to say like, share, and subscribe. And we'll be back next week with another awesome video.